Finally. So right here, I'm actually doing this video for this my subscriber that have been asking for a paper tools hack video on how to earn paper. So right here, I'll be showing you one paper hack that you can actually just do simple task, or let me just say simple strategy. Then you go ahead and you earn directly to your PayPal account. So right here on my channel, I talk about how you can make money online, how you can make money to your PayPal, how you can earn crypto affiliate marketing side also. So many different ways that you can make money online. So you can also go ahead and join my Telegram, which you will see the link right here in my description box. Go ahead and join where I will be posting more strategies on how you can make money online. So in this video right here, I'll be sharing with you how you can make paper money. So this strategy right here has already worked for me. So right here, if you check on my platform here, this is actually $2.2 that I earned for free without actually doing so much things. All I do is just go ahead to one platform, paste link, and I wait, and I earn this $2.28. Yeah, this might be small, but earning this every day will actually make an impact in your paper wallet balance. So right here, I'll be going ahead and show you this strategy. So first, I'll be showing you one is this website is called shrinkme.io. So for shrinkme.io is where you shorten link. After you shorten link, you go ahead and paste. And whenever people click on this link, you earn a substantial amount on your balance. And I'll be showing you different shorting link that you can go and sign up. Then you start to use this to make money on it. So right here, the first one is called shipme.io. So the second one right here is earn money. This is shrinkn.com. So these people right here are actually making payments. Let me go ahead and show you the payment proof that these people are actually paying people to PayPal. Not only to PayPal, they are also paying to Binance, they are paying in crypto, they are paying in different payments methods, which you can see right here. So also for the second one right here, which they are also making payment. For this right here is actually good. So you go ahead, you create account, you shorten and earn money. So why you join us is that, and for here their CPM, which is click per means, is up to $20. So for a click, it's possible you earn from one click, you can earn just $20 from just one click on this. And you are the only requirements is that you are required to earn only $4 before you will be paid. So I will pay user through PayPal. So you get paid through your PayPal account from this. So right here is a way you can go ahead and earn money to your PayPal. But you might be thinking, what link will you share? Yes, what are the things you've been after clicking on? What are the things, or what are the documents, or what page will open for person clicking your link? What will the person see? So right here, I will show you this strategy. Okay, right now you know these two platforms, shrinkme.io and also shrinkn.com. So these two platforms is actually where you can also make money. And again, I'll also be adding two more platforms again that you also be earning money. So sharing link from this one to this one, you'll be earning in two ways. So right now, let me just go directly to the page. So this one right here is called publishers.dlupload.com. You can actually see they say store, sell, and monetize your file. So why choose it? So you can monetize this platform, and there is 250 gig free storage for you, which means you are not paying for storage on this platform. And forever, if you have any issue, you need help, and their email support is right here. You can contact them. So all you do right here on this platform is go ahead and upload file. Yes, but what file will you be uploading? Make sure you stick with me to the end so I can be showing you the file you upload, and you don't have to go ahead and start looking for what to upload or what are the things I'm going to share with my audience, that they will go ahead and download this file on this platform. So right here, I'll be showing you this. So the file, you upload a file right here. So on this 250 gig, like I said, all files here are upload and they are downloaded as soon as possible. So payout also here is going to PayPal, it's also going to Bitcoin, Payoneer, and so on. So and they are also have support 24/7. So once you log into this account, you have full access to your control. So whenever anybody from any country download your file, you earn. So you earn money that you can withdraw to your PayPal account. So right here, there are different plans which I will advise you can go ahead. Let's start with $0, which you can get 250 gig for free. So whenever you start to make more money, you can go ahead and subscribe to the premium plans. So right here is the first platform that you can go ahead and upload. So the second one right here, which you can see the payment proof already, that people are making so much money to their PayPal accounts, to their web money, to their payee, and also you can also join them and to make money. So right here is also the same thing that applies to the first one. It's also the same thing that also works here. So you go ahead and also sign up. So whenever you sign up here also, you start to earn money on their platform. So right here is how this also works. So let me go ahead and show you the file you'll be uploading to these two platforms. And after uploading to this platform, you'll be given a unique link which you will now take to the shorten link platform where you shorten your link, which means whenever they click on the link you earn. And after clicking on the link, they download the documents you uploaded. You also earn on the platform. So you are thinking what document will you upload and others. So right now, let me take you to where you'll be downloading free documents for you to upload. So right here, the first one right here is called plrminds.com. On this platform, there are free ebooks with giveaway right, which means this book right here, you can actually go ahead and dash it to anybody. And again, what I can also advise you is that you can go ahead, download this ebook, and start to write your own with the same topic, or you can modernize the topic, or you can change or strategize or structure the right topic. So you can just go ahead, let's say, okay, someone that is looking for how to effective ways to grow their Facebook fan base since Facebook is not paying content creator now. There are so many people that want to go ahead and actually go their page. So you go in and download this and using ChatGPT to modify the structure, you can actually have your own ebook which you can now go ahead and upload on this platform. And again, the second platform here is free PLR download. You can actually there are different niches over here that you can click on, download their ebook, and if you don't have much time, you can just go ahead download the ebook, come over here, upload it on this platform, then you earn money for downloading, you earn money for clicking on the link. So the third one right here, which one is C library. So on this library, there are over 22 million books and 284 articles on this platform. All you have to do is just go online, look for a trending topic or a trending book that people would love to read. People like to read much about confidence, about relationship, love, and others. Search for it. What is trending actually? Go ahead and search for author or a book that is trending that people are paying for. There are so many books on this platform that are free. Go ahead, download it, and go ahead and upload it on this platform. So these are just strategies. These are the hack way you can actually earn money with this strategy. Do this for 1 month and find out how much you will make on your platform. You'll be earning in two ways: clicking the link, you earn clicking the link, shorting your link, you earn for downloading your file again. And this storage are free. You don't have to pay for premium service to get this started. And right here is how simple way you can make money. So you might be thinking, okay, where do I post my link for people to click on it? So right here, I've actually provided. So if you stick between right here, this is actually just a strategy I want to share with you that have made me over 100 downloads from a page, and I've earned a substantial amount from doing this. So let's say you download the affiliate marketing ebook. So downloading an affiliate marketing ebook, so you upload it on the platform, you generate the link, you go ahead and shorten the link. Okay, right now you have copied the shorten link and you are looking for where to promote this link so people can go ahead and click on it. So you're having an affiliate marketing. Just go ahead to your Facebook, just like this. Search for affiliate marketing group. You can see right here there are hundreds of affiliate marketing group that you can join that have over 50 plus members. This one have 141,000 members. You can actually say, yeah, I've been member since 2020, I've been member since 2022. This is at the time I'm actually using this paper axe to make money directly to my wallet. So you go ahead to my channel, you insist on paper video I make about this, how I've been using this strategy online. So you go ahead here, you see affiliate marketing. So whenever you click on one, say you click on one here, let's say you click on this first one. So if you click on this, you don't have to do any. This group right here is no more active. So let's go ahead and check the one that is active. I want to show you one strategy that you can go through. So right here, you open the group. Okay, let's say you open this group, you can just go ahead and type okay. I would like to share with you guys. I'm just assuming I would like to share with you guys a book that has helped me, or you can just write who wants affiliate marketing PDF. You have a paid file, you have what you can just find a strategic and attractive caption that you can post right here that people will comment. You don't have to post the link directly first. The best way you can promote your link is by just writing it in words first. People that are interested will comment. So after commenting, you enter their DM, you paste the link, or you can paste the link using it to reply them. So you pasting that, other people won't have to be telling you they're interested. They will just click on the link directly. So clicking on the link will earn you even if they did not even download the file. So these are the paper hacks again. You can earn so much money online. So these are strategies you can go. So guys, if you gain value from this video right here, go ahead and subscribe and comment paper money. Let other people, or let's say you type paper hack or paper hack reviews, just make sure you comment one or two. So people who are looking for ways that they can actually earn on paper can actually see these videos. So right here is how you can definitely earn using paper. So I hope my subscriber right here, you actually find a value, so you can go ahead and do try this, so you can go ahead and earn. But right here is paper hack that you can earn you more. So right here is another comments from you saying paper gaming app video, please. So don't worry about that. I'm actually working on how you can also earn paper by playing games through mobile app, or you'll be a game testers that you get paid directly. So you'll be the first one to be testing games application and you get paid for that. I hope you stick to the end to see this my comments. So right now guys, if you are new to my channel, this is the best time you can subscribe to my channel, comment, take me to 10,000 subscribers. Guys, support me and go ahead and also subscribe to my Telegram channel. So guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate you watching my videos. Guys, bye for now. See you in the next video.